Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what I purchase weekly from all of the uh residents in Heartopia. So every single week, I'm already level 10 in almost everything except for the pet carrying one. I would always go and purchase these ones. So from Naniwa, I would purchase the inflatable insect attractor and the sense booster, the one that you use gold coins. You can only get 10 per week using gold coins. If not, and you need more, you do need to use wishing stars, which I don't want to spend my wishing stars on stuff like that. And then I would also go to Vanya and I purchase, wait, where is he actually? Oh my gosh, he is so far. I would purchase the mermaid attractor and the perfume as well. And I do use the gold coins for that too. So I get 10 of each item per week. So here, I think I already purchased it. Yeah, I did. And then from Bailey, I would purchase the bird whistle as well as the bush, the camouflage bush. And then what else do I purchase? I think. Oh, and then from Blanc, I get the rainbow breeding powder. And those are the things that are important to purchase each week using gold coins. If you do want to wishing stars, if you do want to use your wishing stars, sorry, you are able to do that, but I just don't want to spend my wishing stars on items like that when I can kind of get it each week, even though it's only 10 per item, but yeah, that is it basically. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.